Hello and welcome to Investor Web, where we share insights, tips and trends to help you make informed investment decisions. We're all about unlocking the secrets of financial success, giving you the knowledge you need to turn your dreams into reality. Today, we have a rather exciting topic to discuss. It's about the signs indicating that you might be on a journey that leads to a destination quite extraordinary, becoming a billionaire. Yes, you heard that right. We're not talking about becoming just financially independent or a millionaire, but a billionaire. It might sound like a dream, a fantasy, but what if it's your reality waiting to happen? What if you're exhibiting signs that point towards this incredible possibility? Intrigued? Well, you should be. Without further ado, let's delve into the 10 real signs that you might be on the path to becoming a billionaire. The first sign is a burning passion for what you do. Passion is a vital ingredient in the recipe for success. It's not just about the money, the fame, or the power. It's about truly loving what you do. Take a look at any self-made billionaire and you'll find that their journey started with a spark of passion. Whether it's Elon Musk's fervor for space exploration or Oprah Winfrey's love for connecting with people, their passion is the fuel that drives their success. It's the energy that allows them to persevere through the toughest of times. It's what keeps them going when others would have given up. It's the force that propels them to innovate, to strive for excellence, to disrupt industries. Their passion is not just a hobby, it's a calling. It's not just work, it's a mission. So if you're driven by passion, if you're obsessed with what you do, if your work doesn't feel like work, then you're already on the right path. The second sign is a continuous thirst for knowledge. It's a common trait among those who make it big. An insatiable curiosity, a hunger for understanding, an unquenchable desire to learn. Billionaires are not content with what they already know. They understand that the world is ever evolving and they need to keep pace with it. Imagine a voracious reader who devours books not merely for entertainment but to extract wisdom, ideas and insights. Picture a passionate listener who seeks out experts and thought leaders, not just to hear them speak, but to learn from their experiences. That's the billionaire mindset. They are lifelong learners. They value self-improvement and personal growth. They are always looking for opportunities to acquire new skills, to expand their horizons, to deepen their understanding of the world. This drive to learn doesn't stem from a sense of inadequacy, but rather from a belief in the limitless potential of the human mind. Remember, knowledge is power. The third sign is your attitude towards failure. Let's talk about how billionaires perceive failure. They don't see it as a step back, but rather a stepping stone for growth. They treat it as a learning opportunity, a chance to improve, to evolve. Imagine failure as the universe's way of saying, hey, that didn't work. Try something different. Learn from this. It's like a detour sign on the road to success. It's not a dead end, it's simply a change in direction. Failure is an inherent part of innovation. It's the trial and error that eventually leads to triumph. Every misstep, every stumble brings you one step closer to your goal. Billionaires know this. They don't let failure deter them. They don't let it shake their confidence. Instead, they embrace it. They learn from it. They use it to fuel their journey to success. Embracing failure, rather than fearing it, is a key characteristic of future billionaires. The fourth sign is that you're a big thinker. Billionaires aren't made by playing small. They dare to dream bigger than the rest, and their ambitions often tower as high as the skyscrapers they own. Big thinking isn't just about grand ideas, though. It's about the audacity to believe in those ideas and the tenacity to make them a reality. It's about challenging the status quo, pushing boundaries, and not being afraid to venture into uncharted territories. It's about dreaming of a better world, then rolling up your sleeves to build it. Billionaires such as Elon Musk and Richard Branson didn't get where they are by thinking small. They aimed for the stars, literally, and didn't let anything stand in their way. They believed in their visions and took the risks necessary to bring them to life. So, are you a big thinker? Do you have a vision that's larger than life? If you're a big thinker with big goals, you're in good company. The fifth sign is that you're a problem solver. This is a trait that's common amongst billionaires. They're not deterred by obstacles. Instead, they view them as opportunities. They relish the chance to tackle challenges head-on and devise innovative solutions. Billionaires are often compared to explorers, venturing into the unknown, not afraid of the hurdles they might face. They're the ones who see a problem and instead of stepping back, they step up. They're the ones who look at a complex issue and instead of getting overwhelmed, they get creative. They're the ones who see a broken system and instead of complaining, they start mending. They don't just solve problems, they transform them into opportunities. They turn stumbling blocks into stepping stones, and in the process they create value, not just for themselves but also for society. So if you're a person who enjoys solving problems and overcoming challenges, you're on the right path. Problem solvers are often the ones who make it big. Now, let's quickly run through the remaining signs. The sixth sign you're on the path to becoming a billionaire is resilience. Not only do you bounce back from setbacks, but you also view them as opportunities for growth. You're like a rubber ball. The harder you hit the ground, the higher you bounce back. You understand that every successful person has faced rejection and failure, and yet they've used these experiences to propel them forward, not hold them back. The seventh sign is surrounding yourself with successful people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, as the saying goes. If you're constantly in the company of driven, ambitious, and successful individuals, their mindset, habits, and work ethic will rub off on you. You understand the importance of networking and building strong relationships because you know that success is rarely achieved in isolation. The eighth sign is hard work. While many dream of success, billionaires wake up and work hard at it. You're the first one in, last one out. You understand that there's no substitute for hard work, and you're willing to put in the hours, make the sacrifices, and do whatever it takes to reach your goals. You're not afraid of rolling up your sleeves and getting your hands dirty. The ninth sign is being a saver, not a spender. You understand that wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep. You're not swayed by the latest trends or fleeting luxuries. Instead, you're focused on building a solid financial foundation and investing wisely for the future. You're not in the game for short-term gratification, but for long-term wealth accumulation. And the 10th and final sign is being a risk taker. You understand that in order to achieve great rewards, you must take calculated risks. You're not reckless, but you're not afraid to step outside your comfort zone either. You view risks as opportunities and understand that the greatest achievements often come from stepping into the unknown. These are the signs that you're on the path to becoming a billionaire. You embrace failure, you're resilient, you surround yourself with successful people, you're a hard worker, you're a saver, not a spender, and you're a risk taker. Remember, it's not about possessing all these traits at once, but about cultivating them over time. It's about the journey, not the destination. And who knows, that journey might just lead you to $1 billion fortune. And there you have it, 10 signs that you're on the path to becoming a billionaire. We've journeyed through the importance of passion, underlining how it fuels the relentless pursuit of your goals. We've discovered the power of knowledge and its role in shaping the minds of billionaires, emphasizing how they're always learning, always growing. We've embraced failure, understood its role as a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. We've explored the mindset of thinking big, of daring to dream beyond the ordinary, and the significance of being a problem solver, of viewing challenges as opportunities waiting to be seized. The final 5 signs we've delved into further cement the roadmap to $1 billion future, each one highlighting a unique trait that separates the extraordinary from the ordinary. Thank you for watching Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Here's to your success on your billionaire journey.